Set my 94 four-door Ford on fire today. And so I took her favorite pair of diamond earrings and I pawned them away. So when she walked in the kitchen full of dishes and she broke every plate, man, she might be the death of me, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Now she might be my cocaine, she might be my rehab, and I ain't tryna OD, but she gon' make me relapse, yeah. But if crazy is a place, then I hope they got space for two. And I know it's messed up, but I can't get enough of you. It don't